85% of wedding businesses are discovered by couples through word of mouth. So, building your supplier network is an essential ingredient to increasing the number of inquiries that you receive into your business. Not to mention the wealth of benefits that you receive from having a supportive business community cheerleading you on. So I am super excited to announce that the first Wedding Business Growth Workshop will be taking place face to face at the beautiful venue Higher Holcombe in East Devon on Friday the 3rd of December 2021. You will have the chance to meet and mingle with fellow suppliers and build connections that will push your wedding business forward. The event will also have a step-by-step exclusive tutorial delivered by myself, all around focusing in on creating a social media content strategy that will enable you to position yourself as an authority within your wedding category. Very much hope to see you there. Jen Maynard here from the Wedding Business Growth.